Pretty acreage ready for you to build your dream home or farm. Tucked away at the end of Kyle Lane, this 35+ acre parcel has much to offer: wired barn/workshop with new roof, wood stove, and 30-amp camper hookup next to it. You can build your home while glamping. Additional structures: 1 chicken coop, and 3 small stables. Roughly 16 acres of pasture, timbered, cleared, sprayed for weed control, and planted with high nitrogen clover. This 16 acres is irrigated by well water, but public water is available to tap into. Dunham's Creek runs through the parcel, and over the bridge lies another 19 acres, of which approx 14 acres has been timbered and 5 acres remains wooded. Seller retaining 1 acre and home on adjoining parcel and will need to rent back use of wired barn for a few months. A well provides water for pasture, is located on the seller retained acre, but solely used for the land, so will be allocated as such by attorney. Barn spigot can be tied into well, or buyer may tap into public water. Farm equipment may be purchased separately if desired. Barn contents do not convey. There is no septic permit on file for this land.